Hi and welcome to our video on how to make a budget. A budget can help you understand where your money is going and where you can cut back. In this video, we will be discussing the 5 detailed steps on how to make a budget, as well as the best tools to help you stay on track. Let's get started. Step 1. Gather all your financial information. The first step in making a budget is to gather all your financial information. This includes your income, expenses, bills, and any outstanding debts. This will give you a clear picture of your financial situation and help you identify areas where you can cut back. Step 2. Track your spending. The next step is to track your spending. This will give you a better understanding of where your money is going and where you can cut back. You can use a budgeting app or software such as Mint, YNAB, or PocketGuard to track your spending. These apps will help you categorize your expenses and give you a clear picture of your spending habits. Step 3. Create a budget. Once you have a clear picture of your financial situation and spending habits, you can create a budget. A budget is a financial plan that helps you understand where your money is going and where you can cut back. To create a budget, make a list of all your income and expenses, including fixed costs like rent and variable expenses like shopping. Once you have a clear picture of your financial situation, you can create a plan to reduce unnecessary expenses and increase savings. Step 4. Stick to your budget. The most important step in making a budget is sticking to it. It's essential to prioritize your expenses and stick to your budget, even when faced with unexpected expenses or temptations to spend. You can set reminders on your budgeting app or software to help you stay on track. Step 5. Review and adjust your budget. The final step in making a budget is to review and adjust it as needed. It's essential to regularly review your budget and make adjustments as your income and expenses change. Life is unpredictable and things may come up, and your budget should reflect these changes. Reviewing your budget regularly will help you stay on track and make sure you are making progress towards your financial goals. Budgeting is an essential step in achieving financial stability and reaching your financial goals. By following these 5 detailed steps and using the best tools available, such as Mint, YNAB, or PocketGuard, you will be able to create a budget that works for you and your lifestyle. Remember to stick to your budget and review it regularly to make sure you are making progress towards your financial goals. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more financial tips and advice.